welcome back to another video from Machine City, the place where you can enjoy watching the newest advanced machines, technology and innovation. Today, we'll show you how the machines and technology helping us to clean our oceans, rivers, lakes and many more. So watch this video till the end. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. First on the list is the bubble barrier. Based on simple concept, a tube with holes is placed on the bottom of a river, which makes a bubble screen that prevents plastics and other waste to swims with the flow, and can be collected easily from water. This project is working efficiently at Amsterdam. Up next is the river cleaning project. The river cleaning system consists set of floating devices that are positioned diagonally across the river's path, allowing them to catch floating plastic debris and carry it to a specific storage location on the river bank. Aqua drone called the waste shark. This amazing gadget is developed by Richard Hardeman. This device could help clean trash out of a harbor before it reached the ocean. Company named it the waste shark. It is an aqua drone that collects plastics and other floating debris from the water surface. It was developed especially for use in ports and harbors. Waste shark can collect up to 350 kilograms of debris at a time. It is steered by a remote control and its movements are tracked via GPS. Waste Shark efficiently collects trash out of rivers, ports, and marinas, while simultaneously scanning and collecting water quality data. Project Kaise is the ocean clean-up initiative of Ocean Voyages Institute, a non-profit organization based in San Francisco. It was established to focus on major ocean cleanup and to raise awareness regarding the global problem of marine debris or ocean trash. The non-profit group's total for the summer season is now amounts to 170 tons of ghost nets and plastic debris removed from the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a staggering amount, which quadruples the group's previous year's record.
Crazy.
Seguridad aquí en Canajuá. No me llegué bien. Bueno.
Here we can see large amount of plastic trash blocked by trash boom installed on the surface. And this plastic waste is collected by a trash skimmer boat. This video is from Baltimore Harbor, state of Maryland, US. The new Naval's Clean Trash solution. It is highly efficient in managing and removing marine litter from river mouths. The system has a highly efficient storage design, capacity up to 890 kilograms. A boom arrangement controls, guides and manages materials to a containment cage, where it is collected, contained and stored before removal. It has an independent remote control system for changing storage levels, online video monitoring and real-time information viewing. Alternate power solutions available based on green energy sources, that is, solar, wind or hydropower. Optional addition of scientific instruments for data collection like current meter, salinity meter, depth sounder, etc. The dam floating barrier. It's a floating platform with security rails and a grill system. The dam floating barrier is intended for usage in dams and hydroelectric power plants. The floating barrier is suitable for usage in all 4 seasons. The floating barrier contains unique connectors that can be simply assembled anywhere using unique anchoring methods, and the water level will not be an issue. The dam floating barrier has a unique grill system that retains debris, and the grill system on the floating barrier is easy to clean and lasts a long time.